Unit 3, Growing Roses. Excuse me, ma'am. I have a problem with my rose bush. It used to produce a lot of pink roses, but now it doesn't produce any flowers at all.
I see. That does seem like a problem. Do the leaves on the plant look healthy?
Not really. The leaves used to be very green. Now most of them have turned brown.
Well, I think your rose bush needs some fertilizer.
Okay. What sort of fertilizer do you think I should use?
This liquid fertilizer is very good. It will help make your rose leaves green again. Then the plant should produce roses quite soon. The fertilizer costs about $10.
How long will it take for my rose bush to recover?
About 2 weeks, I think.
Great! I'll take it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.